Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today it's about the most challenging conversion so far. It's a Revell plastic kit of the Bell Cobra converted to a flying RC helicopter. And now enjoy and have fun. So I started with a used Blade 120S helicopter that I bought on the internet, and it came in the original packaging. So yeah, everything was in good working order. So the helicopter, the remote control, 3 LiPo batteries, 1S, the instruction manual and some spare parts. Yeah, first of all, I did a short test flight indoors just to check that everything is working fine and that the helicopter is behaving as it should. So after the test flight, I took apart the Blade 120S mechanics by removing the canopy and then removing the 4 screws on the bottom to take off the landing gear. And once this is done, just remove the tail boom by disconnecting the tail motor wire from the flight control board, and then basically just pull it off. So now unboxing the Revell plastic kit, which seems to be pretty old. So on the instruction manual it was dated on 1991. So yeah, quite an old kit, but nevertheless all the pieces were there, and also the decals were in pretty good shape. And as you can see, the fuselage is really slim. So there's just less than 30 millimeters in the width to integrate the Blade 120S mechanics, and this will be the most challenging part, to fit everything into that slim fuselage. So now you can see how it looks with the mechanics and the fuselage and the cockpit and the battery, everything put in place. And yeah, so as you can see, it will not fit, so there will be some modifications necessary to the Blade 120S mechanics to make it work. So basically I will relocate the main motor to the back of the frame, and then I will need to trim the fuselage to clear the main gear, and also these linkages and the servo on the one side, in order to make that fit. So now I took off the main motor already and started to trim off and cut away all the unrequired plastic material of the main frame of the mechanics. in order to reposition the main motor to the back and also to clear the fuselage. So this took quite a lot of time for this build, and yeah, was quite challenging. And now this is the result of all this trimming and cutting exercise, and yeah, now everything fits inside. I can close the two fuselage halves together, and also the main gear is now clear, so it can rotate easily and free. All the servo linkages are free, and now I'm ready to bond the two halves of the fuselage together. So the last modification is about the tail motor mount. So I had to cut away a bit of the plastic pieces and then bonded it directly into a groove into the fuselage. Yeah, with the original 1S LiPo battery, it's yeah, almost impossible to take off with the helicopter now because it's got quite heavy. So I had to change to a 2S LiPo battery, which is now working fine. Thanks for watching this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm currently working on the next RC conversion, which is a Bell UE helicopter in the 1/24th scale size. And yeah, hope to see you soon back on my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe.